a security firm. The millennials alone in Kenya add up to 10.1 million out of Kenya's population of 49.7 million. A World Bank report released last year shows that Kenya leads the region in youth unemployment at 17.3%. With such statistics, what future are we looking at while the present youth of Kenya are desperate to make a living? We wish to investigate this deeper and lay out the reasons as to why we think the government is at fault here. 1. Politicization of unemployment. The Jubilee government in 2017 promised over 1.3 million jobs and county industries. But as we speak, the reverse is happening. The government has proven to be incapable of delivering in its third year of its second tenure. It is a government in record of dubbing the youths as thieves as it advances the interests of a few by practicing nepotism in ambassadorial jobs, among others, and granting old men who should be on their retirement jobs that the youth can confidently deliver and are skilled in. Yes. Number 2, corruption that takes away resources meant for youth development. Yes. This cuts across double taxation, greed and lack of balance in our economics. Retired President Mwai Kibaki reduced the official development aid to less than 5% and grew the economy by 7%, and the highest budget deficit at 350 billion. However, the current government, in its first and second tenure, have increased the official development aid to 15% and ballooned the deficit to 800 billion annually. This explains the reason for the hefty taxation. In this light, we are below our demands as the youth of Kenya and a call to action. Number 1, the amendment of the Financial Bill 2019, expunging the additional taxes in the new bill since the business environment is not conducive. Yes. 2, we call for a national-wide conversation bringing together the unemployed, underemployed, innovators, and stakeholders to discuss which way forward for the young people of Kenya, who total up to 75% of the population. Exactly. Number 3, we call for a revision of the labor terms in Kenya through the stakeholders and relevant parties should revisit in terms under which the likes of Francis Mudhaura has been qualified for opportunities, while the overqualified youth languish in adverse effects of unemployment. Number 4, we call for the end of corruption in Kenya and illicit financial flows as it has continued to paralyze the economy. 5, we call for the inclusivity of the young people in decision making and the upholding of the Constitution in Article 27, 3 and 4, that the people in Kenya shall not be discriminated directly or indirectly. Number 6, transparency and openness in recruitment. It is sad to see nepotism in play 56 years after independence, where the appointees to consulates, among other opportunities, are linked to the president's family. Number 7, we call for the immediate implementation of Article 55 of COK 2010, the Youth, which orders the state takes affirmative action programs to ensure that the youth access employment and have equal opportunities to associate, be respected, and participate in political and economic spheres, among others. Number 8, investment on industrialization. Now, our call to action. We, the diligent youth of Kenya, quite resilient, dedicated, and now, with the resolve to stand to ourselves, promise the government of Kenya that we have all the time. We shall rally all the youth every Wednesday into processions, dubbed the Unemployed People's March, till the government does the right thing. We are ready to make this country ungovernable till we are heard. That the time is here, eventually, we shall come for your job. Signed, the youth of Kenya.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Exactly.
Yeah, just do
you
what
speak
you can.
Swahili, just paraphrase for the guys who do Swahili. You can just paraphrase
anything.
Briefly.
Turn your cup the other way, mama.
Tuonekane mtu hapa wakujue.
Pia wakujue.
Okay, fine. Sisi kama vijana wa Kenya tunasikitishwa sana, ambapo kila asubuhi unaamka kisha unasikia eti kampuni imeachisha watu kazi. Hatufurahi sana, na kama Kenya ama kama vijana tunataka serikali tusikize, manake wale wakikampaign wanasema hapa eti sijui tutawapatia kazi ama vipi, wakati ni sasa na ni sasa, si kesho. Tunasema ni sasa na ni sasa. Kwa hivyo hiyo bill ambayo bado haijasainiwa, kama president wetu Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, tuko hapa kwa ajili wewe ndio utatusaidia. Tunataka tusikize, na manake Kenya kuna tabia za chairangi sana. Watu wanasema hivi kisha wanabadilisha. Hatutaki, tumechoka. Tunataka uhuru wetu, tunataka kazi. Najua wengine watasema sijui jiajiri. Tukijiajiri wote, kisha nani atakuja kwenye business yangu anunue vitu? Haiwezekani. Tunataka kazi. Kama mtu anaweza jiajiri pia ni sawa, lakini kazi ni lazima. Sisi ni wa Kenya na tunataka kazi. Na pia vile mwenzangu pale amesoma, yale yote ambayo ni mahitaji, kwa sababu sisi hapa wengi si ni wazazi. Umeambiwa unaachishwa kazi, utaanza wapi kesho? Utaanza wapi? So inatuuma sana, mimi kibinafsi inaniuma.